Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Spring break is coming and we're packing for our Florida trip. Oh man, I have to have, just in case it's a little cold, I have to have a little sweatshirt. But got all my clothes here. Beach bag, beach shoes. This is not mine. Winter sock don't need.
There you go. Hey, kids and families. Last week we talked about how important it was to take a brain break. And if you watch the video, you can see like sometimes the brain break isn't so easy to take, like getting a Kit Kat bar. If you missed last week's video, please go check it out. It's on YouTube and it's under Funfara LLC. So look it up. This week, guess what we're doing? We're getting ready for our big spring break vacation. Oh man, I'm so excited. It's been a long time since we've had a family vacation and we're gonna go to Florida. So I love it. I love all the things you have to get ready for. You have to pack, you have to think about what clothes you're gonna take. You have to think about, you know, if it's gonna be cold, it's gonna be Florida, but hey, you might need a sweatshirt, sandals and beach stuff. I love it. It's all the things that are so exciting about getting ready for something that's fun to do. And let's see what else we need to pack. Let's see, I need shorts. That would be awesome. I need a short sleeve shirt. Goggles really important. Let's make sure we don't pack any poopy attitudes. Let's get rid of that thing. All right. Maybe we need some maracas. Yep, good fun times with the maracas. With the poopy attitude, let's not pack any bad choices. All right, let's not pack anything that would be like bad like that. Ooh, confetti. Maybe some confetti would be fun. Let's pack some laughter. That would be awesome. Let's make sure we bring tons of laughter on the trip. Let's not bring any anger. I know sometimes you get angry, but if we could drop the anger, that would be awesome. So no anger. Let's pack some love. Love everybody on the trip and love yourself, and that's important. So we'll make sure that is nice and packed. Extra pair of flip-flops, that'd be good. Swimming trunks. We need some good swimming trunks because let's not pack any worry. I know there may be some times that worry comes up, but again, that might be something we just want to drop. Okay? Let's bring some peace, pack some coolness, and a granola bar just to keep us from being hangry. Extra pair of shorts, great, and maybe the whininess. Definitely, this is something we definitely do not want to bring on the trip. Get rid of the whininess, okay? And let's bring some patience. That would be awesome. And then just an overall sense of happiness. Okay? So the important thing is we have a lot of expectations on this trip. So expectations that things are going to be perfect, let's leave those behind. Let's drop those along with all of the other poopy attitudes. And let's just pack up and be ready to go. All right? See you guys later.